Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Caroline, and on this episode I'm gonna show you an easy way you can have roasted potatoes and baked fish for your family. They will definitely love this one, ain't you, baby? So yeah guys, I'm so excited for this one, so let's get to it, right baby? So stay tuned, subscribe, share and like this video, okay baby? So guys, I really love cooking, especially for my family, and this is one of my favorite, and it comes together so fast. So for today we're gonna have some baked fish and some roasted potatoes. For our ingredients, we'll have of course our fish fillet. Depending on the number of people you have, you can have as many as you want. For our fish, baked fish, we will use 1 teaspoon of paprika, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, some salt, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and then that's it. And then the ingredients for our roasted potatoes, we'll have of course our potatoes, as many as you want for your family. And for seasoning, 1 teaspoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs, depending on what you like to spice your food with. So guys, let's get started. So first of all, we're gonna start with our potatoes. So we'll peel this, and then we're going to dice them. It's so easy guys. 30 minutes, your food is ready. Your family will be so impressed by this one. They will love it. So let's get to it. So first of all, we're going to peel this one. As usual, I told you how I love potatoes. These ones are going to be so awesome. And then you can also use some rosemary if you want for them. And what we do with this one actually is they go really well. The flavor comes out so amazing, and that's why I love roasting my potatoes than just frying them. So we peel these ones, then you dice them. It's so easy. So after cutting them, we wash them, and then we are going to soak them in cold water for 20 minutes. Actually, my mom taught this one. When you soak them in really cold water, what happens is this removes some of the starch in the potatoes, so that makes them really crispy, but on the inside they're at least a bit fluffy, but so crispy on the outside. Yeah, so freeze them for, don't skip this step of freezing them for 20 minutes, of putting them in cold water for 20 minutes guys. So guys, as you see, we've diced our potatoes. What you do if you don't have really cold water, what I do is I use ice cubes. I just put ice cubes. This helps to remove the starch. And then we're gonna let it rest for 20 minutes guys. So that is, if you don't have cold water, just use ice cubes. Yeah. So guys, after 20 minutes, we'll dry them. Use a towel that doesn't remove lid. So just dry them like that. Yeah. So first of all, we're going to preheat our oven at 200 degrees Celsius. So the potatoes, we're gonna roast them for 1 hour. So we'll start with them, and then for the fish, we just roast. We will bake the fish for only 20 minutes. So first of all, we season this. So with some oil. So we're gonna drizzle some oil on the potatoes so fast guys, like 2 tablespoons. After that, I'm gonna put some salt, and then after some salt, I'm gonna drizzle some pepper and the garlic. Some black pepper, and then the mixed herbs if you want to put extra flavor. So you mix that evenly. And then previously you spray your baking sheet and then your baking tray, and then you just toss them on it, and then you can just move them so that the spices can get evenly. So we're gonna leave one side for the fish. So that's it, guys. Your potatoes are ready to be put in the oven. Look at this, guys. So in 1 hour they'll be done. So this side we'll have it for the fish. And they are going to be so buttery, guys. Wait. So we're gonna place them. So as our potatoes are roasting, they roast for about 1 hour 50 minutes. And this takes 20 minutes, so we'll let it roast for 30 minutes, and then after 30 minutes we remove, and then we're gonna put our fish so that they can bake together. So it's so easy to prepare our fish, you can see, guys. So what I do is I cut mine into 4. So I will cut it. So I like cutting mine into 4. Them there and just season them. So this is how I make my fish. I season it. So I do a bit of some salt and some black pepper. It tastes so amazing, guys. You will really love it, guys. So next I put in some paprika, the paprika gives the fish a really nice taste, guys. So some paprika. Then I drizzle in the butter, the melted butter. So nice. Gives it a very awesome buttery taste, guys. You will love it. You will love this fish. Your kids will love it. So nice. At least that smell of fish goes with the butter. Look at this, looks amazing. Look at this, you can even eat it raw. So finally, we're going to put our lemon juice, 1 teaspoon. It helps with the flavor. and then we're gonna let this bake for 20 minutes until it flakes easily with a fork. Yeah, so look at this, looks awesome. Can't wait. Oh, this looks amazing, guys. So awesome. So we're gonna put this in the oven for 20 minutes. Guys, you can see 30 minutes has gone. So for the remaining 20 minutes, we're going to put in our fish. The other side. Feel that sizzling sound, also nice. And the best fish to bake is white fish. I love tilapia because it really flakes easily and it's good for your kids, for your families. They love it. So we're gonna put this back for the 20 minutes. Can't wait. It's gonna be so buttery, so sweet, and then the roast potatoes are going to be so crispy and brown on the edges. That's the way I love them. But inside they're so fluffy for your small kids, so they're gonna love it, and it's so tasty. Why I love to bake the food, because it's so healthy when you do that. It's the best method, guys. So
20 minutes later.
So guys, our food is ready, so let's get to see. Oh my god, I love that sizzling sound. I feel it. Look at this, guys. Looks so crispy. Look at this. Amazing. Look at this. So well done and golden. So what I like to do, if you don't like parsley, I normally like chop a bit of rosemary for my potatoes. Guys, so finally our food is ready. Look at this. Amazing. So easy, super sweet for your family. Can't wait to have a taste. Look at this, so golden brown, so crispy. And now for the fish, guys. Can't wait. Look at this, it flakes easily when using a fork. Look at this, so that's how you know it's well done. So well done. Look at this, so well done. Let me have a taste. Amazing. It's so buttery. It's so good for your kids. I love the taste. So nice. Guys, follow this recipe step by step and you will love it. It's so simple. Just putting in everything in the oven and it's done. So guys, so this, guys, has been an amazing episode making these roast potatoes and the baked fish for you guys. I loved it. Please subscribe, share this video. I really appreciate it, and give me that thumbs up. Okay, baby? Is it true? So guys, that's it from me. So bye.